guys, welcome to VChem World. Today we will discuss on the different example based on the unit cell dimension and density. We know about the relationship between the rho is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. Rho is density, Z number of atom present in unit cell, M mass, A cube is the volume of unit cell and Na is the Avogadro number. First start with the first example, that is an element crystallized in FCC lattice. So FCC means Z is equal to 4 because in the FCC unit cell 8 corner, in the 8 corner contribution 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 8 and 6 phases present. So 6 phases and its contribution 1 half gives the 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So FCC has Z is equal to 4. Number of atom present in unit cell is 4. Then cell is of 250 picometer. Cell is A 250 picometer. In the previous lecture we discussed on the how to picometer converted into centimeter. So 1 picometer and 1 centimeter. Picometer means 10 raised to minus 12 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Both sides same. See, this is the 10 raised to minus 12. So we multiply with the 10 raised to minus 10. So this side 10 raised to minus 12 and 10 raised to minus 12. So we can say that the 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. In this example, we write that the 250 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Then calculates its density. Density is calculated. If 300 gram of this element contain 2 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. First we know about the mass, M, mass of the unit cell. So, mass of unit cell is equal to number of atom present per unit cell into mass of each atom. This denoted by capital M, number of atoms Z into small m. So we calculate the mass of unit cell. Given data, 300 gram of element contain 2 into 10 to 24 atoms. So 300 gram of element contain 2 into 10 raised to 24 atoms. Gives the each atom. So 1 atoms contain how much mass? Number of atom per unit cell is equal to 4 into mass of each atom. So this is the mass of each atom. We write that the 300 divided by 2 into 10 raised to 24. So this multiplication with 4. 300 divided by 2 into 10 raised to 24. 2 cancel out. And this gives the 6 into 10 raised to minus 22 gram. Mass 6 into 10 raised to minus 22 gram. Then calculate density. So rho is equal to M by V. Means mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 22 gram. And volume of unit cell. How to find out the volume of unit cell? Volume depend on the LBH, length, width and A is equal to A into A into A. So A cube. 250 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube. And the centimeter cube. This gives the answer in gram per centimeter cube. Next. An element has a BCC structure with cell S of 288 picometer. BCC means Z value is 2 because of the body center. Then A's length 288 picometer. So A is equal to 288 picometer. We know that the picometer converted into centimeter. So multiplication with 10 raised to minus 10. Its multiplication 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. But we know about the A into A into A is equal to A cube. Volume V is equal to 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube, and this is the centimeter cube. So volume of unit cell is equal to 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube centimeter cube. Then density of the element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So rho is equal to 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. We calculate the how many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element. M is given is the 208 gram of the element. First we find out the volume of the element. This is the volume of unit cell. But we find out the volume of element. How to find out? We know about the rho is equal to M by V. So V is equal to M by rho. M value 208 gram and rho value 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. Gram cancel out and its value is 28.69 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of element. Then volume of element V. We know about the how many atoms. So number of atoms in unit cell is equal to volume of element upon volume of unit cell. Volume of element is equal to 28.69 centimeter cube upon volume of unit cell 288 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancel out. It gives the number of atoms. And given that the structure of BCC, so its Z value is 2. Number of atom per unit cell is equal to 2. So its answer multiplication with 2. That gives the answer. Calculate the value of Na means Avogadro number from given data. Density of NaCl is equal to 2.165 gram per centimeter cube rho. Then distance between Na plus and Cl minus ion in crystal 281 picometer. So distance is equal to R. We know about the relationship between the rho and unit cell dimension. So rho is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. But we find out Na. So Na is equal to Z into M upon A cube into rho. In the given data, rho is equal to 2.165, then A cube. How to find out the A cube? A is the edge length. So A is equal to 2R. 2 into multiplication with R value is 281 picometer. This is the 562 picometer. We know about that the picometer converted into centimeter with multiplication of the 10 raised to minus 10. 562 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube given the volume or A cube. Then Z. NaCl has a FCC structure. So FCC has Z is equal to 4. So Z is equal to 4. Then mass. How to calculate mass? NaCl. Molecular weight of the NaCl. How to calculate? First Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus value is the 23 and Cl minus 35.5. This gives the 58.5 gram. So this is the M value. Na is equal to Z is equal to 4 because of the FCC structure into M. M given is the 58.5 gram divided by A cube. 62 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube. Multiplication with rho. And rho value given is the 2.165 gram per centimeter cube. Gram cancel and this is also centimeter cube. So centimeter cube cancel out. And it gives the number 623 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. And this value is the Avogadro number Na. F has NaCl structure. What is the distance between K plus and F minus? In Kf, if density is 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. So rho given is equal to 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. On the basis of this, we calculate the mass. Mass of Kf is equal to 58 gram per mole. Z and M. We find out the distance between K plus and F minus. Distance means R value. R, this is R and this R. So total edge length A is equal to R plus R and this is R plus R. So A is equal to 2R plus means 2K plus 2F minus. K plus F minus is equal to A. So K plus and F minus distance is equal to A by 2 value. Total distance A is equal to this R value, first RF minus, this is RF minus. So this is the 2 RF minus and this is the K plus R and R because of the total spherical 2K plus 2 common. So A by 2 is given the K plus and F minus. First we know about the A value. How to find out the A value? So rho is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. Find out the A value. So A cube is equal to Z into M upon rho into Na. Z, we know about the NaCl structure is a FCC. In this line, Kf has a NaCl structure. So this structure like as the NaCl. So Z value is 4. M value mass 58. Rho density 2.48. And Na value 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. This given value is the A cube. Find out the A value. This A value divided by 2 gives the R K plus F minus is equal to A by 2. So this answer is distance between the K plus and F minus in Kf.